In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue when your keyboard is not working on your HP laptop. Let's get started. First, right-click on the Start menu and select Device Manager. Now, expand the Keyboard section by clicking the drop-down arrow. Here, you'll see your keyboard listed, usually with a name that includes PS/2. Right-click on your keyboard and select Update Driver. Then click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Next, choose Let me pick from a list of available drivers. Select the driver shown and click Next to install it. Once done, check if your keyboard is working. If it's still not working, go back to Device Manager, right-click on your keyboard again, and select Uninstall Device. Confirm by clicking Uninstall, then restart your laptop. After restarting, Windows will automatically reinstall the keyboard driver. Now, check if the issue is fixed. If the problem continues, open the Start menu and go to Settings. From the left side, click on Windows Update. Then scroll down and click on Advanced Options, then Optional Updates. Expand all available updates, select them, and click on Download and Install. Once everything is updated, restart your laptop again. And that's it. That's how you can fix a non-working keyboard on your HP laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.